Good morning. Ayan, so thank you very much for the warm welcome, Ambrisa. Pleasant morning to everyone, and we are glad that you have decided to join us on our third. So again, this is already our third webinar, and I hope na sa mga susunod, dahil pa kami prepare ng webinar for you, and sana patuloy lang yung pag-join natin, and at the same time, para matuto tayo kung paano gagamitin si DraftSight. So before we get started sa ating main agenda, let me just give you an introduction about our company. So again, we are Infinite Minds Technology Corporation. So we are your newest partner for the salt systems solutions. Okay. So yung pinaka product focus natin is basically more on manufacturing side. So I guess all of you, I know all of you are CAD users with a mix from different architectural field, with a mix from different industries such as architectural, pwedeng nasa manufacturing, pwedeng nasa post-production, nasa computer-aided manufacturing, and yun. So yun yung mga industries na yun. So yun yung we have software which can cater to those industries. So with the sound systems, we provide the software to help you reach your product goals. Ayan. So as you can see here, these are just some of the quick snapshots or preview ng mga capabilities sa software and kung paano natin ma-utilize yung mga yon. Ayan. So Dassault Systems. Ito yung, again, we are your newest partner for SolidWorks. So parang di mo nito, Dassault Systems is the principal and SolidWorks is actually our product. So again, we are your authorized SolidWorks value-added reseller. So pag meron tayong mga requirements such as SolidWorks, you can easily call us and ask for an price. Okay, so again, Infinite Minds is a technology solutions provider, and we are committed to provide the best and innovative solutions for your business. So we were already established last May 2017 as a training center, and then eventually evolved into a SolidWorks authorized partner last May 2020, uh, just after pandemic hit us. Okay, and then for our mission, so it has always been our goal to help companies to develop their business by providing the best in class 3D CAD solution software. And then we aspire to make a difference as your IT solutions provider because we are one of the companies that offer the best software in the world. Ayan. And then let me just show you our solutions for the salt systems. So these are actually the software that we can provide to your business. So we have 3D Experience, we have SolidWorks, DraftSight, DemiaWorks, and Simulia. So these are just some of the softwares that we provide or under our product portfolio. So again, just to highlight, SolidWorks is your uh, be- uh, best 3D CAD design software that is available in the market. So with over 25 years of experience, SolidWorks has been the trusted industry in standard design and engineering. So I know a lot of you has already been got in touch with SolidWorks or have an experience. So ayun, so alam ko it's very trusted software. It can do the job. It can create very complex 3D designs. So from starting from 2D up until 3D design. And then we have DraftSight. So DraftSight is your cost effective alternative to a 2D design software. So syempre kapag uh, meron tayong budget constraints, meron tayong konting marami tayong users, and if we want a perpetual license, DraftSight is the best software for you. So again, it's similar as AutoCAD, but what's good about DraftSight is it's perpetual. All licenses under the source systems are perpetual, meaning it doesn't expire. And then we have 3D Experience. So what is 3D Experience? 3D Experience is your newest BIM software wherein you would have the ability to easily uh, collaborate with your teammates anywhere. So if you have yeah, you can have access to easily access your software in your house, in your home, anywhere. So basically, that's what 3D experience does. And if you want to know more, please send us a message so we can do a one-on-one demo with your team and your company. And then let me just share you some of the companies that some of our clients we have provided SolidWorks and DraftSight. So we have DOST, ITDI, DOST, ESTI, MDCC, and EngTech. For DraftSight, we have Soler, Sagara, and Daiwa. So these are just some of the clients that have purchased from us the SolidWorks and DraftSight licenses. And then, so here are our contact numbers. So if you're interested, please feel free to drop us a message, send us an email. Feel free to screenshot our information down below. And then if you want to personally contact us, just send us a message and send us an email, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with your needs. And if you do have any existing, please let us know so that we can help you with your future renewals or if you want to upgrade your licenses. And then, yeah, that's it. So, Ma'am Tiza, again, thank you very much. So, if you need anything, just let us know. And then I give the floor now to Ma'am Tiza.
There you go. Thank you so much, Sir Pao, for the quick introduction of who is Infinite Minds and what are the products that we are currently offering right now. So as you can see, our products basically cover from the first step of your product design and development process up to the manufacturing part. So it's a whole kumbaga, package for you, for our clients.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So let me just share my screen. So good morning, Ma'am Griza. Thank you for that warm introduction. No. So this is our third webinar series, right? So I'm very excited to talk about DraftSight again. Since after you made the switch, let us get started with DraftSight. So for those of you who already attended our first and second webinar series, thank you everyone. We appreciate your presence here right now again for our third webinar series. And for those of you who don't know me yet, again, I am Don Emmanuel A. Pablo, the application engineer of Infinite Minds and VAR technical support for SolidWorks and DraftSight. Basically, na-discuss natin sa unang, as mentioned by Ms. Griza, na-discuss natin sa mga unang webinar series, yung DraftSight, and na-compare din natin siya kay AutoCAD. But let's just have a recall on the topics about the first two webinars. First, we have our first webinar series, which is entitled All About DraftSight. And second is the Make the Switch from AutoCAD to DraftSight. So what are the topics discussed on those two webinars? First off, we have the comparison of user interface of DraftSight and AutoCAD. Sa ating past webinars, wala silang masyadong pinagkaiba. They're both common, they're similar. Next is DraftSight speaks AutoCAD. So all the commands on AutoCAD is you can also use with DraftSight. So you can just key in the command name and automatically DraftSight will pop up a command name in its system. So basically they function the same, no? And ayun nga, DraftSight is a network and perpetual license. And for the unique tools from DraftSight, we have Power Trim or Extend, Image Tracer, Mouse Gestures, TV Layers, and Auto Dimensioning. So na-discuss din yan sa ating past webinars. And for the compatible file formats, so we have drawing files and DXF files up to R12, mababasa yan ni DraftSight. For the system requirements, DraftSight requires only 4 to 8 gig with a disk space of 1.5 gig. So napakaliit lang yan or napakagaan. And price difference in the long run was discussed by our sales personnel, Sir Ivan, last webinar series. So doon natin nakita yung magiging ROI and savings when using DraftSight. And of course, we offer two products of DraftSight, which is Enterprise and Enterprise Plus. And the only difference between these two is that DraftSight Enterprise Plus has its 3D modeling tools and 2D constraints. So yung ating linear and geometric constraints is present siya kay DraftSight Enterprise Plus. Okay, so basically, we have concluded in those two webinars that DraftSight is similar, but not exactly the same with AutoCAD. So if you want to have your savings in using CAD applications, DraftSight is the best choice for you. But hindi tayo mag-focus dyan yun. Let's focus on how to get started with DraftSight, since nabanggit nga rin kanina na after after making the switch. So here's some tips or tools, commands, and features on how to get started with DraftSight. For the agenda of our third webinar series, first off, di ba nga, getting started with DraftSight, I'm gonna show you how to customize your own user interface. Since for me, if you're gonna customize your own things, not specifically CAD application, no, for example, your room or your bed. So basically, if you customize your own thing, it makes you feel more comfortable, right? So that's the feeling for me. So tuturo ko sa inyo to para mas maging komportable kayo in using DraftSight, our user interface customization. For the commands and features, these are only the tools that could help you get started with DraftSight. I'm gonna show you that also, and this 3D Experience introduction. So later on, hintayin nyo to kasi maganda to. Itong 3D Experience. It is our newest, it is the newest products under the SALT system. First off, we have our UI customization. Siyempre, i-define muna natin yung parts ng ating user interface. We have your user interface profiles. So basically, same lang siya with AutoCAD. And also you have your quick access toolbar. Under ribbons, you have your tabs and panel and your property manager or properties, command window, status bar, and your graphics window. So basically, wala naman siyang masyadong kakaiba, no? Common CAD application user interface si DraftSight. Okay, so let me just switch to my DraftSight. Okay, so in here, as you can see in my screen, ito yung una nating makikita pagka-open ng DraftSight. So in here, as you can see, you have your UI profiles and everything that we defined a while back. Let's proceed in customizing your own user interface. So first off, under Manage tab, click on Interface, and then click again on Interface. As you can see, here are the features that we can customize in our user interface. First off, I have here already a pre-made customization. So I have here the sample for the quick access toolbar. But to make a new quick access toolbar, just press right click and select here. So here I have already made my preset customization para mabilis tayo dito, hindi tayo masyadong magtagal, no? As you can see, compare mo siya sa current ngayon and sa aking ginawa, so wala yung ibang features like the undo and redo. Para ma-prove lang na na-customize nga yung ating user interface. So next, under ribbons, we go to our tabs. I have also made a preset customization, but if you're gonna make a new tab, you can just right click again and select new tab. So under here, I have my panel. This is also customized. Before we proceed there, let's go first to our panel. Also in here, I have made a custom panel in which you can just drag and drop all the commands that you need, all the customizations that you want. So it's as easy as dragging and dropping. In here, you have to search your commands. For example, I would like to have a power trim on my row 1. So I'm gonna just drag this and drop under row 1. So automatically, andyan na siya. So later on, makikita natin na magre-reflect yan sa ating user interface. And then you can also create your own sub-panel by just right-clicking again. So basically, lahat ng options is right-click lang. Okay? So under sub-panel, you can also create your new row. So right-click lang again. And ayun, ganun siya kadali mag-customize. So basically, drag and drop. Yun lang talaga yun. And also, you can edit your button style in here. So for example, let us see our rich line. So I've selected the rich line and I'll try to edit it with small button with text. So ayan, magre-reflect siya agad doon sa ating interface. But I prefer a large button with text para medyo sulit yung ating interface or yung ating space. So ayan siya. So basically, kapag tapos na to, you can just click apply. Okay, so automatic, nag-apply na siya. And then, di ba tapos na sa panel. Let's proceed now into our, yung balikan natin kanina yung na-discuss natin na tabs. So under here, di ba nag-create ka ng new tab. And then, yung na-customize mong panel is also a drag and drop procedure. So dito mo lang siya hanapin. So let's show it first. So dinilit ko muna yon. And then I'm gonna look for my panel here, custom panel. And I'm just gonna drag and drop it under our custom tab. So ayan, automatic na siya magre-reflect later on sa ating user interface. Okay, so tapos na tayong gumawa sa ating ribbon ng tabs and panels na customized. And also we have customized our quick access toolbar. So let us now proceed in our user interface profile. Under here, to create your own user interface profile, just click on this add workspace. So let me just delete that and just click add workspace. So you can also edit your workspace, let's say custom. Okay, so I have now my custom workspace. So next, what are we going to do is to, again, select the quick access toolbar that we have customized. So for this instance, I've created sample a while ago, right? Ayan siya. So custom quick access toolbar. And then let's go to our ribbons and tabs. So same thing, under our custom workspace, we can just drag and drop our ribbon. So in here, you can see our custom ribbon tab. So let's just drag and drop custom. And then when you're done, always click apply. Okay, so let's check our customized user interface. So hindi pa siya nagre-reflect kasi you have to change your user interface profile here. So let us select our custom. So ayan. These are my customized ribbons, tabs, and panels. So ganon ka user-friendly si DraftSight that it let us customize our own user interface para maging comfortable nga tayo sa ating workspace. So, ayun siya. Pwede nyo po siyang dagdagan ng other panels. So, basically, it's up to you. Other tabs, pwede rin. Basta, pinakita ko lang siya kung paano and kung saan. Pero kung hindi kayo nakasunod this time, you can always watch it again on our YouTube account since our webinar series is recorded. So, you can look up it there and make your own customization in the future. So that's it for our user interface customization. Let's go back to our slide. Okay, let us now proceed with our DraftSight's commands and features. So these features nga is basically makakatulong sa inyo para makapagsimula with DraftSight. First off, we have our hide, isolate, and select matching entities. First off, we have our hide. Anong purpose ni hide? So, if you're working on a big project and hindi nyo kailangan yung ibang drawings or unnecessary drawings, so para hindi kayo masyadong malito, you can select the drawing and then just key in hide. So as you can see sa ating video, ganun yung nangyari. And to make it come back or to undo the hide, you can always key in and isolate. So medyo balikan natin. Ayan. Key in and isolate and automatic, babalik na siya. So next, our select matching entities. As the name suggests, it will select all the matching entities based on your own criteria. In here, key in select matching entities, and then here are your criterias. So automatic, maseselect din ng DraftSight yung mga lines or common lines under that criteria that you have selected. Okay, ayan. So we have selected the layer criteria and then enter automatic, maseselect niya yung lahat ng lines under that layer. Okay, and then key in isolate. Ayan, since na-select nga natin lahat ng entities under that layer, automatic, if you type isolate, i-isolate nyo yung mga entities na yun. So, anong useful na ito? Anong, or saan nyo ito magagamit? For example, again, in your large drawing assemblies or large, what you call this, floor plans. For example, you have to edit all those tables. You have to change it. So, one way is to select match those tables under one entity, and then when you've selected them, you can always just click delete. So that's the one purpose of select matching entities. Okay, so again, unisolate to bring it back to normal. Okay, so let's proceed. Again, getting started with DraftSight. Of course, hindi lang naman tayo magde-design, magdo-drawing. We also have to put it in our own templates for printing or discussion with the team or passing it with the CNC machinist, right? We have to have our own templates. But DraftSight has its own template. The standard templates on DraftSight. So let me just show you. Okay, here are the standard templates under DraftSight. So mechanical tab, click on standards, and as you can see in here, you have all your standard templates. You have your ANSI inch, ANSI metric, and so on. So you just have to select what standard are you going to use. And then under mechanical tab, still in mechanical tab, you can click on insert and you can see the frame sizes. So DraftSight has preset frame sizes. And you can also specify the scale of the drawing under that template. So as you can see, DraftSight has already pre-made title blocks and frame. And in here, you can put the values. For example, you have your drawing number. Let us see in here. Okay. So you can key in all the values or the titles of your drawing in the title block. For example, drawing number, description, and the materials, and so on. So lahat yan, automatic, matatype na siya, just key in here in our pop-up window. So that's our drawing frames and title blocks. So nakita natin kung if you're starting with DraftSight and you're having a hard time in locating your template inside DraftSight. So I've shown you already, it's under mechanical and on the insert. So we have all your standard templates there. So let us now proceed to our next topic. But before we proceed, let's have our quick poll again. So I'm just wondering, in these pandemic times, Are you guys working from home? So let's have a quick poll on that, Miss Griza. Okay, so are you currently on a work from home setup? So sana all. I'm just kidding. Okay, so 56% of you are currently working from home. Oh, next question is, since you're working from home or maybe in your company, are you familiar with a cloud platform? Some of you are familiar with cloud platform and some of you is not yet familiar. So that's great. Medyo may diversity tayo sa audience ngayon. Anyway, ito naman ay para sa lahat na webinar. So nabanggit ko kanina yung ating 3D experience, di ba? It's the newest product under the Salt Systems. So let me just give you a introduction. Hindi to yung malalim na discussion about 3D experience, but since andito na rin tayo, let's give you a introduction. Baka magamit nyo rin sa inyong companies, lalo na yung mga naka-work from home na setup. Okay, so for that, let us...
Hello, I'm Charles. I'm a Dassault Systems engineer. I work...
Okay, let me just set up the video.
Here doing stuff like this, and it's awesome. Hello, I'm Charles. I'm a Dassault Systems engineer. I work here doing stuff like this, and it's awesome. Today, I've got approximately 2 minutes to tell you about our 3D Experience platform and show you how it's amazing for your 3D projects. So, let's get to the basics. What is the 3D Experience platform? Explanation. It's a platform that gives you access to a catalog of applications, or apps, like the kids say these days. These apps allow you to design, simulate, inform, and collaborate on a project. Got it? Good. Let's imagine you want to build a hoverboard. There's going to be more than one person working on your project. For example, engineer, programmer, marketer, mechanical designer. Before, you used to work like this. No more, now that you can work on a 3D Experience platform. Oh yeah, the platform looks like this. It's pretty cool. First things first, you need to create your personalized dashboard. It's your own pimped out working environment. Then you can invite your friends and colleagues to hang out. Kind of like a video game party. Here we go! Except it's for work. From there, you can finally begin your working journey using the most incredible toolbox ever created. Wow. And inside you won't find this, or this, or this, but rather multiple apps designed to help you collaborate on the project at hand. Every job position receives their own personalized package and therefore applications. For example, if you're an engineer, like this guy, you'll find all the apps you need to virtually simulate your hoverboard. And of course you'll have access to all the necessary collaborative applications that make it feel as if you're in the same room, without having to be in the same room. To resume, you can work on your project from anywhere, on any device. Got it? Good. With the 3D experience, everything is stored on the cloud. Not this cloud, this cloud. Which means that you can never lose anything, and anyone can access the latest version of a project at any time in total security. Which means you'll never have to listen to this sentence again. Yeah, which version is a good version? Is it master good good final, or final master good? It also means that you can share what you want with who you want, and keep what you want to keep private, well, private. Thanks to these project management tools, each individual can share their agendas and progress. And because Dassault Systems is present in every industry...
Charles, wonderful product. Where can I sign to invest?
The 3D Experience platform is the solution you'll use for the rest of your career, so you might as well start using it now. Look at all the business opportunities it presents. Got it? Good. You want to create your own design, challenge yourself? Click on this link right here to subscribe. Right there. You just click it. Take your mouse, go over, and you just tick right there. Good job.
Okay, so that's our 3D experience. So what is 3D Experience? Based on that video, it's a cloud platform for a seamless collaboration. So this is perfect for those people who are working from home. But you can also use this inside your company since it has this cloud collaboration. And as you can see sa video kanina, yung mga sticky notes. So you won't be needing that if you have 3D Experience because you can create your own dashboard, you can collaborate the design, you can upload all your data in the cloud without hassle. So ganun siya kaganda. It focuses on a cloud platform, so meaning you can access it everywhere. Basta may internet. And yun nga, if you're working from home, di ba, collaboration will be seamless. So that's our 3D experience. So in the platform, we can actually socialize and collaborate. And information intelligence, you can upload your data, your design, or your drawings. And simulation, we have those stress analysis apps inside 3D Experience. And of course, we have our 3D modeling, our SolidWorks and our DraftSight. We can also access it inside the 3D Experience platform. So these are the apps inside our platform. So ang dami, no? Hindi ko na siya isa-isahin. But I think this is the common application that you're going to be using inside the platform. We have our SolidWorks and our Simula for our simulation. Simulation. So here, I'm just going to show you the user interface of our 3D experience. So we have here what we call our compass. And these are the role. Basically, ito yung bibili nating license or roles. Roles ang tawag hindi license. And we have corresponding apps under some roles. Or kung ano yung role na binili mo is may corresponding app siya or access sa ating 3D experience. So ayan, this is our dashboard. As you can see, you can customize again this dashboard. So ayan, you have your notif. So marami tayong pwedeng gawin kay 3D experience. It's basically from designing or drawing up to your end process. Since collaboration is pwede na rin dito, so parang isasama nyo lang yung manager nyo or yung leader nyo na engineer para mag-check ng inyong design, and then basically you have also the approval process here. But that's a deeper discussion on 3D experience. So sinasabi ko lang kasi napakaraming pwedeng gawin kay 3D experience na alam namin personally na makakatulong sa inyo in your collaboration and all those working from home. And also for those who want to, take advantage of technology. So yun yung ating 3D experience.
Let us all welcome our account manager for SolidWorks, Mr. Ivan Lestanco. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. Good morning po. And thank you very much, Ms. Krisa. So here I'll be discussing yung magiging financial freedom mo from choosing DraftSight in the long run. So nakikita na po ba yung
It's still loading, sir.
Okay, so yun, I'll be discussing yung financial freedom from choosing DraftSight in the long run. So okay na po ba? Nakikita na po ba yung presentation?
Yes po.
Yeah. So here, quick lang to, ROI lang natin. Quick heads up lang na ang comparison ko dito would be DraftSight and AutoCAD, since ayun naman kasi yung past webinar namin before, which is from switching from AutoCAD to DraftSight. So here's a basic example lang ng ROI sample against AutoCAD LT. So this is DraftSight Enterprise and then AutoCAD LT. So ang price based sa SRP, ang DraftSight Enterprise na is 40,000 versus the AutoCAD LT na 22,000. So ang comparison natin dito is 1:1 license. Also, very conservative din tayo with regards to sa price ng AutoCAD. We all know na naman na almost every year may price increase si AutoCAD, well compared to DraftSight na kasi perpetual license na siya. So very minimal lang if ever man may changes yung price ni DraftSight and other software under the sold. So for as you can see dito sa graph na pinapakita ko, sa 3.5 year, nag-cross na yung expenses nyo kay DraftSight and then AutoCAD LT. So ibig sabihin nun, from there on, mag-start na yung savings natin or yung ROI natin. So ito yung magiging total savings natin total savings per year. So on the 4th year, meron na tayong 3,000, and then on the 5th year, 10,000 and so on and so forth until the 10th year na may 45,000 tayo. However, assuming that you're still paying for the annual maintenance fees, which is yung 15,000. So maintenance fees ni DraftSight is optional. So meron tayong freedom to subscribe or not. Unlike kay AutoCAD na pag hindi tayo nag-subscribe, kaya na nang i-pull yung rug. So technically, pag di ka na nag-subscribe, mawala na yung files mo, wala na yung benefits mo and all. While nung from webinar na first webinar namin, na-explain naman namin na perpetual na yung license ito. So you can opt not to pay. Kunyari sa second year, nagkaroon ng problem. Let's say pandemic ngayon, di ba? Uncertain times. Medyo may constraint tayo with regards sa budget. Pwede tayong hindi mag-subscribe ng maintenance fees. And then, magagamit pa rin natin yung DraftSight natin. So, here, kung titignan nyo, medyo mukhang maliit siya. Kasi 1:1 license lang to ha. Pero we all know majority naman ng mga company, may mga around 3 or 5 to 10 mga licenses, ganun. Kaya ipapakita ko sa inyo, let's say, kunyari, ito na, number of licenses nyo over the past year. Kunyari, on your 4th year, meron kang 5 licenses. So, meron ka lang 15,000. On your 10th year, meron ka lang 225,000. Again, assuming that you're still paying for the annual maintenance fee na 15,000. So, you can see naman, di ba, na malaki pa rin yung magiging savings natin pag nag-switch tayo or we choose DraftSight over AutoCAD LT. So, mag-ask kayo bakit si DraftSight Enterprise and AutoCAD LT yung pinag-check ko with regards dun sa ROI na to. So, kasi si DraftSight Enterprise and AutoCAD LT, sila kasing almost the same yung features. So, can I call on engineer doon? Engineer doon?
Hello, Sir Ivan.
Yes, sir. Sir, good morning. So yun, ask ko lang, no, with regards to features, magkalapit di hamak si Enterprise at AutoCAD LT? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes po. Sila talaga yung parang napag-compare since they're both focused on 2D drafting solution.
Ayun. So kaya silang dalawa yung pinap ko. So thank you very much, Engineer Don. So kanina ko pa sinasabi na optional yung maintenance fees natin. So I'll give an example na ganito. So sa graph na ito, you can see from year 1 to year 5, ang pinurchase lang ni client is yung initial na DraftSight Enterprise and then 1 year na maintenance fees. Pero from year 1 to year 5, hindi na siya nag-renew. So kitang-kita nyo agad yung difference, no? Ang initial investment is 40,000, pero if naka-AutoCAD ka, regardless, kasi kailangan talagang mag-renew, wala kang choice, wala kang freedom not to renew your subscription, ang expense mo agad is around 110,000, while dun sa DraftSight, you have 40,000 lang. However, let's say on the 6th year, lumaki yung demand mo, nag-increase lahat ng dumami ng client mo, so kailangan mo pa ng additional license. Pero kahit let's say kay AutoCAD di ka nagkaroon ng bago. So from the year 6, nag-acquire ka ng new license. So ang initial investment mo na is 80,000. Pero kita mo pa rin, no, on the 6th year, this is already 2 DraftSight license versus 1 AutoCAD LT. 'Di ba? So ang kita mo na yung difference agad natin. So ito yung mangyayari. ang initial savings natin is negative 18,000 kasi doon tayo nag-start. So from here on, 4,000, 26,000, into the 10th year, meron ka ng 85,000. So assuming that you're still purchasing that, assuming na sa 6th year ka lang nag-purchase nung maintenance fees, and then nag-add ka ng one DraftSight Enterprise na license. Okay. So next, syempre dalawa naman yung version namin. We have the DraftSight Enterprise Plus, and then AutoCAD. Ang malapit naman sa kanya is yung AutoCAD LT, which is specialized toolset. So ito na rin yung package ni AutoCAD. So here, this is the chart is, wait lang, sorry, medyo nagkakaroon ng problema. Based, yung SRP natin is 70,000 versus the AutoCAD na 98,000. So here, ang ginawa ko naman is dalawang licenses. Dalawang license, so two versus two license tayo for the ang maintenance fee naman nito is 30,000 na kasi nga 15 yung per license. As you can see on the second year, half ng second year, nag-ROI ka na. So from your first and second year, ang savings mo is negative 46,000, and then second year negative 12. Pero on your third to 10th year, malaki na agad yung difference natin. So you have a savings of 22,000, 56, 90,000, and then 260,000 on the 10th year. Okay? Assuming again that you're still paying for the annual maintenance fees natin. So ayun lang, sana nakita niyo yung financial freedom na makukuha niyo from switching from AutoCAD to DraftSight, kasi nga perpetual license siya, and at the same time network license din siya, at ayun yung mga benefits na makukuha natin. So thank you very much and stay safe. I hope meron kayong natutunan with regards dun sa financial freedom. And then that's on my end. Ayun lang, and thank you very much. If you have any questions pa with regards dun sa financial your pricing, you can ask now. Also, if may mga nakalimutan kayo tanongin kay Engineer Don kanina, you can still ask us question. So, ayun lang. Thank you very much, Miss Krisa. Sorry pala, meron kaming YouTube, right? And then they can still watch yung first and second webinar natin kasi may mga bago tayong viewers now para mas makita nila yung flow. So we have uploaded our first two webinars sa YouTube namin.
This is a promo from Infinite Minds. I hope everyone can see my screen na. And let's have Sir Paulo to discuss what's inside the promo and how much you can save for this one. So nakita nyo naman, there's SolidWorks and may very famous brand tayong kasama dito. So Sir Pau.
Okay. So hi everyone. Thank you, Ma'am Friza. So we have this ongoing. So we have prepared this promo which would run from July 1 up to July 31. So for every SolidWorks premium license that you get, you would have one free Dell Precision 5500 series. So again, for every SolidWorks premium that you buy from July 1 to July 31, you get a free Dell Precision 5500 series. So the model of the laptop depends on the availability. So it may have it would range, but it's on the same specifications. So ayun lang. So again, thank you. So just please let us know if you're interested, and we can give you this promo. And then for the pricing, just send us an email, and then we'll send you a flyer which contains the price and the quotation as well. So ayun lang.
All right, thank you, Sir Paul. So yun, this promos, as you can see, kumbaga parang just lang kasi itong aming pinakita right now, but this will be emailed alongside with the details, software plus training, and yung hardware. So, di ba, for us to be able to give yung best service or best work, we need the right solutions. So, we need the right software and the right hardware with it. Yes, sir.
Question lang, clarify ko lang. Kasi ang start ng promo natin is July 1st, no? So, question lang, lahat ng attendee can actually purchase now even hindi pa July. Kumbaga, since attendee sila ng webinar, pwede na rin sa kanila. Parang ayun yung privilege nila, no?
And I think it's better, sir, kung mauna talaga sila because
Yeah.
as mentioned by Sir Paulo, yung ating hardware, so kumbaga it will depends on the availability, especially now medyo mahirap ang availability of products since yung pandemic. So yon, so at least you get to secure yung hardware na. Kasi we know naman Dell, so di ba?
Yes.
So it's better
Actually,
na mas
mahirap yung stocks.
Yeah, oo. So at least ma-secure nyo na yung hardware na gusto nyo kasi a lot I personally prefer using Dell actually. So ayan, there you go for the promo. This will also be posted sa aming pong Facebook and LinkedIn account. So para mas malaman niyo yung mga details.